Dinshaw, the one pocket where all the excitement is the luxury end, right? Everything from homes to cars to jewelry to watches. That's where people are spending. And have been a keen observer of the consumer spends. Any other interesting new ideas?
Not really, Asha, because we've been actually searching for new ideas, and frankly, I mean, though we talked about the luxury trend that we picked up again quite early in the trade as such, and the point is that the demand per se is not looking that exciting, be it in the tier one towns or tier two towns or even the rural segment, because I think there's a pullback on demand to an extent, and we again saw this probably early, and that's why we trimmed a few positions, and now we're adding back to those names where we saw that the corrections have been overdone, and we've been adding back to those names as such. So otherwise, new names we're not looking at. I mean, we not being able to find any new names as such.
Uh, so it was Manevar, it was campus shoes and ethos.
No, no ethos.
So Manevar, campus and fill in the blanks.
I won't. That I'll leave the
As
Sydney
a
to fill
child,
up.
we played this game, fill in the blanks. Remember all the exams, fill in the blanks.
I know. Some of them you showed just now, the retailer, I mean, the car distributor and stuff like that. So that one was there. So,
But Dinshaw, uh,
yeah.
there is definitely an uptick in the urban stroke, the niche consumption pocket. But that is also a function of the real economy. That is also a function of what is happening to the aggregate picture. How disconnected do you think this space will be for an extended period of time from the real economy?
So, because actually, if you see this kind of a dichotomy was happening for quite a while, even during COVID times, though everything picked up. But the fact was that the super luxury and luxury were totally in demand. And as I mentioned in one of your uh, uh, interviews, that the watches you can't find luxury watches. I mean, they're out of stock. Patek Philippe or Rolex and stuff like that. They're really out of stock. So it's that kind of a super luxury wave which has come, and I think that's basically because of the way the income spreads are happening today. So, but the fact is that doesn't move economies, right? I mean, in India at least, it's like top 1% of the population can afford that, and the rest are not able to look at that. So that won't move your economy as such. What will really move is when the real mass consumption comes into play. And I think we're at the cusp of it. Actually, it's not probably in the immediate short term, you may see some pullback happening because of El Nino and things like that. But the fact is, or a high inflation to add to that. But the fact is that we are on the cusp of that, given that our cohort of youth population is going to be the largest in the world very shortly, and that is what's going to pull up the economy as such. So we'll wait it out. Probably there's another couple of quarters of wait as such before things even out with the world also, and that's when you'll really see India moving up the charts.